Alose. 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 You dare to challenge me? Since you have dared me and you refuse to shut up, let me help you. Let me shut it up for you permanently. Alose, take it. Boom. Neje. Jebe. Neje. Neje. Small boy. Drunkard. Neje. Ujumwa. You challenge me. You struggle over my property with me. Would you? Will you? Would you? It is time you join your dead parents so that I can rightly take over what is entirely mine. Ujumwa, take it. Boom! Gaba. 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 Hey! Ajukwam, onwere onye ọzọ na-eji nkata ekulu mmiri naanị ọnọwu. I have told them, I warned them, they refused to hear.
Chiana Churi Gigi.
But I won't say because you are a good visitor. You went to the right place. Ah, Ada! Stop crying. Ebela. Ebela.
Mama!
Where are the others? Come and witness what is happening in the compound now. Uda! Uda, you are the number one. Uda, are you sure you are not responsible or a responsibility or responsible or response? Never you!
It's you and I that remain now. You and I. We don't even say
Oh no! What am I hearing?
Hey!
Oh, we have visited the wicked. Thank you very much. Jufong, you are very too much. Oh no, your uncle has visited you. I told you no. If I can, you said no. Oh no, let me tell you, uncle does not fear size. You think you are giant. Uncle has done enough for you now. In fact, uncle is coming to do more. Ada, stop crying.
I was in a show.
Because you go to English palace and you speak parable, you think you can say it anyhow. Stop crying.
I don't see no
Don't cry. Look, I heard you from afar when you were saying it is only you and your father that is left. And then let me tell you, it is only you that is left in this world. Because this one that you're seeing is coming to take this auction. This out, your father here will soon be going. Oh no, let me tell you, Ada, go and thank your God. Yes, you are still alive. Your father is going to go soon. Always not afraid of your size, so let me tell you, you think you are giant. I respect yourself. I'm telling you now, respect yourself because Onwo has come to stay here. No leave, no transfer. Congratulations. Good afternoon, Mr. Onwo. Onwo, this is Ono. No need to even introduce him to you because you already know him. Ono, go and dig your grave. I have told you, no, go and dig your grave. Don't suffer people with this your height. Dig, because you will soon go now. No. You see this idiot that they call him Nebe? He didn't come here. His name is Nebe. He likes going to where people is dying, where people die. Because he likes crying. That is why they call him Nebe. Nebe. You understand? Oh no, I know you're not crying because your wife left you. You're crying because you're missing the gongorolistic offshore dichotomy of your wife. That is why you're crying now. You understand? I have seen enough of you. Onwo is coming to visit you. Which house? Let me tell you, this place now belongs to Onwo and not you. Oh no. You understand? Bagger. You look at you're showing muscle. You want to go and take a knife, oh no? Okay, go and come. Onwo is going to deal with you. I'm telling you, yes.
I was leave my house.
Do you have a house? You don't have a house, so because Onwo is now coming to live in this house. Right?
I was leave my house.
You don't have a house. Onwo is not taking over your house. But the thing.
Go. Okay.
I know that. Oh no! I am sorry for your size. We can't even enter your house. Are you sure you built this house?
No.
If you don't know, I have given you.
I said no.
You don't have a house. It's almost. You don't have a house. It's almost. I am sure what your name is. Front behind. Look, let me tell you. I have told you this house belongs to him.
What is you're doing?
This compound belongs to you. Who is coming to visit you very soon, and your head will be chopped off. I am telling you. Yes, you're missing your wife's breast, not her.
Go now, go.
Let me tell you, you're Nebel. Thank you, you're here. Nebesia.
Oh no.
Yes.
Oh no.
I told you. You're vibrating.
You will injure someone with this knife. Eh?
I have said my own.
This is not time for this.
Oh no, we
don't have talks. It's not time for this.
Are you begging him? Let him come and kill me. You think he can kill me? I am going already. You know where I'm going, but Omo is coming to visit you. Look at your van. Your wife suffered and had this van for you. Opaji. You know we are Jiga. You will be bubbled by G. You will be bubbled.
It is true that there is no art of knowing the mind's constitution first. But I can read through your mind to find out the method of torture you're passing through now. But let me remind you that the only consolation there is that which you console yourself. What others can console you, but you can console yourself. I mean, come to think of it, life and death are both mysterious. Have you ever imagined? What is it again?
Hey, Igwe!
Hey! What is the problem? Speak up, what is it?
Igwe Mazoka is dead.
No, it can't be possible.
Igwe, the beast killed him on our way to the palace, Igwe.
Oh no, did you hear that?
Igwe, I'm speechless.
Hey.
Mazoka for?
Come. I hope you don't figment of imagination.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. It's true, Igwe. I barely escaped.
Hey! Igwe! Oh, lo. Hey!
I can't thank you enough for all the things that you have done for me. Thank you.
You don't have to thank me. It is my obligation as your friend to do whatsoever I can for you.
Princess, you have a good heart. A very good heart. If reincarnation truly takes place, in my next life, I would want to still be your friend.
Ojo, you can be very funny. Hey, that's by the way. Will you accompany me to my kingdom tomorrow morning?
Are you asking me?
Yes.
Hey, please, you don't need to ask me. When are we going?
Alright, I'll let you know.
Okay, no problem. I'll be on my way now.
Okay.
What? How? Who could have stolen it?
But woe betide whoever stole it. Because he or she must have committed a sacrilege. And the consequence will be too grave to bear.
Father, mother, what is it?
Your father's horn of power is missing.
How?
Not to worry, my daughter. I have summoned the chiefs and elders in this kingdom. I will make sure that we discover whoever stole it. Rest assured, it must be found.
I hope so. Father, I'm almost set for my trip to my kingdom.
Oh, just remember to take care of that with you and make sure you come back before sunset. And while there, extend my greetings to the royal family to end this meeting. Okay?
Yes, Father.
Whoever is guilty of this offense must be beaten and thrown into the evil forest.
Or rather, Igwe, the person should be buried alive.
No.
Yes!
No.
He should be buried alive!
No. Our tradition does not condemn such a person to death. Rather, it states that such a person should be thrown into the evil forest. Huh?
Listen to me. The victim should not be buried, or you have a grave among the dead in this kingdom. I have spoken.
We have the Igwe's permission to search your house.
Search my house? What for? I'm just coming back from my kingdom with the princess.
Ujunwa, that is irrelevant. There's the orders of the Igwe. Is there something you're hiding from us?
Ha! Hiding? What would I be hiding?
What is this?
Gods of our land. How did the staff of authority get into my house? No! I don't know anything about this, so.
You explain that to the king. Take her!
I didn't do anything. I'm innocent now. I didn't do.
Take her! Move it! Move it!
I don't know how we got into the house. I will not lie to you. I
Well, I, as the Igwe of this kingdom,
I hereby decree that Ujunwa Odo, who is living right before me here, has been banished to the evil forest and condemned for to.
Igwe, you should have condemned her to death instead of this evil forest.
Gods! Igwe, take her away.
I said, move her away!
Uncle,
take her!
I'm innocent.
Move her away!
Uncle!
Take her, move her! And then move her away!
Take her away!
Take her! Go now!
Yes, Igwe. Igwe, you should have condemned her to death.
You can release this girl. This girl is innocent. I'm telling you, all these analog youth, end-time children, people are taking an innocent girl away to go and shed innocent blood. If we revoke this thing you just invoked on this girl now, she's innocent. If our gods, I hope you people are listening. One of your subjects called Igwe has just committed an abomination. Igwe has taken an innocent girl. Look at the way they are moving her like.
Is my maternal home, the family of Otolo.
Oh, you mean Otoli?
Yes.
Oh, you're welcome. So you came visiting your maternal home?
Not really. My community was destroyed by some group of warriors from Agugu Kingdom. And my family killed.
Ew.
And when I got here, I realized that my uncle Otoli is dead.
Ew. What a sad story. Ndo? Oh? Ndo? So, where are you headed to? Since your uncle made you and said Otoli died without a wife and family.
I don't have anywhere to go to. I'm stranded.
actually on my way to the stream. Maybe you can come with me. So when I'm coming back, we can go together.
You said she's an orphan.
Yes, Papa.
But her parents were killed, you said.
Yes, Papa.
Okay. And you want her to stay with us?
Yes, Papa. Just for the meantime.
Good afternoon, Nai.
Good afternoon. My daughter told me your story. Yes, it's all right. She said she wants you to stay with us.
Yes, Papa.
What's that your name again?
Oge. A maiden from Atuma Kingdom.
Atuma.
From the neighboring village, Papa.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. It's all right. It's okay. I sympathize with her plight. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. You are free to stay with us.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you. Thank you very much. How did your mother and your brother die?
My mother. My brother. It was mysterious. They were on their way to the farm. The next thing is that they are dead.
It's a pity. And what was your father's reaction?
My father, no. He was devastated. But why are you asking all these questions?
You know, I'm just the inquisitive type. That's why.
Inquisitive type.
Papa. 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 Papa, your food is ready.
Bring it here.
Papa, I've already passed it. It's on the table. Papa. Come now, come and eat.
I hope it is the bitter leaf.
Yes, Papa. Okay. Come, let us eat.
ọṅụrụ mmanya jide onwe gị aka ọṅụrụ mmanya jide onwe gị aka o ahụrụ m ihe na-enwu ka ọkụ fire ahụrụ m ihe na-enwu ka fire fire ọṅụrụ mmanya jide onwe gị. Look, if you follow me I will follow you back. Apathy, if you count beautiful growth, beautiful chop later afterwards. You understand? What am I? Hey! Who is this? What kind of ocean is this?
ROC, I greet you.
Huh? Onye? Look, I am not afraid of you. You are threatening me with river. You think I'm afraid? I won't be afraid of you.
A kind-hearted man like you will never fear evil. I am just walking along.
You're walking along? Is that the reason why you should shower me with this kind of ocean? By the way, look, let me tell you, wherever you are speaking from, you think I'm afraid of you? I am not afraid of you. I can't be afraid of you. Okay, in fact, to where?
Just a passerby.
Huh? You are just passing by. Passerby! Passerby! My drink!
Oh, your drink?
Yes, very important.
I will take care of it.
You will take care of my drink. Come and fill it for me, oh. Because now, you've shorted my ration of the ration cities. I'm not a... Where are you even speaking from? You are a passerby. Passing to where? Where are you passing to? My drink! Where are you? Come and fill my drink now, no?
It's already filled.
My own is filled. Ah! Thank you very much, passerby. Passerby, look. What time are you going to pass tomorrow? Let me come here. Passerby. Passing by. Bypasser. Hi, bypasser. Pass by and fill my drink with enough unku. In fact, if you have the ocean, come and pour me ocean and refill my drink.
Hey, Maziaja. I was just going to your house.
I hope all is well.
Of course. Maziaja! Maziaja! Hey! Maziaja!
Hey, Mazi.
What is it?
Mazi, the Iroko tree has fallen.
Which Iroko tree?
Mazi, there's a more itchy priest. I saw him lying dead.
There's a more.
Yes, so he was lying down by the...
Hey!
And I'm sure he was killed by your own. Hey! I'm going to the palace to find Igwe. Hey! You follow me?
Yeah.
Mazi.
The worst has happened, Igwe.
Yes, Igwe. The Iroko has fallen. Our great Dibia has been afflicted by a strange ailment.
Afflicted by a strange ailment. That means we're doomed. So where do we go from here?
We need to ask the gods. We have to ask the gods.
Deliverance unto the blood of innocent that cried day and night for vengeance is avenged. No deliverance.
An orphan like me. My father, the honor of this kingdom, he is far from being a nice man, though he listens to me sometimes as his first daughter. You're very lucky to have a father like that. I lost my loved ones. I have lost a lot of people that I love, especially Uju Odo, my cousin, and my best friend.
You must have loved them so much.
Okay. What is it? Nothing. Nothing? Meanwhile, your voice changed. It sounded like the voice of my father's late sister, Da Adeze. I'm coming. I'm coming.
That you say stole the power of authority from the king's palace cannot be real. Are you getting it?
Please don't say so.
My elder,
It's like we are deceived by that girl innocent look. Let me tell you something. All these kind of people, they are devil. They are very, very wicked set of people.
Mazodomodo, let me ask you a very important question. Now, do you have enough evidence to substantiate this claim? Is it not the same claim of the elders? That is what you are holding tenaciously as if you are on right position. You see, that girl's face is so innocent. Right? You see, that claim that you just raised concerning Uju, I do not think I will concur to that.
I see. It's because you are just seeing her innocent face. You are convinced by that this girl is not the...
Afternoon, my daughter. How are you?
I'm fine.
How is your father?
He's fine.
Please, when you get home, send me well to your father.
Bye-bye.
You have to mind the way you run your mouth. I've told you. Come on, let's be going. So what happened is that the elders have decided. It is not your fault, but because you are all like me, you're supposed to be.
Hugo, you have made a great mistake. You should have listened to your daughter.
That means I must have destroyed an innocent girl.
You did not just condemn an innocent fellow. You condemned the chosen one. She who could reach the heart of the beast.
What?
Hey!
But there was evidence. Or was she set up?
Oh no, answer that question.
Oh no, you testified against her.
Oh no, tell the Igwe how you conspire with some guards and stole the horn of authority. You hid it in Uju's house after killing her parents.
Hey! Hello! Oh no! Oh no, so you are behind all this. Okay.
Oh no, if that go we talk.
Oh no. Oh no.
Igwe.
Wise man. What do we do?
It is too late.
Oh no, you mean you had your hand in all this? Oh no, what did it?
Hey! Igwe, I suggest we get some warriors to go in search of her.
Too late, I said. 21 virgins or nothing.
That's outrageous.
Assuming the chosen one is available, no blood would have been shed.
Your Majesty, Ndiche, how do we get 21 virgins? 21? Eh?
Mazude, that is very easy.
Oh,
you shouldn't be talking.
Can you provide them?
Talking.
Can you?
You are not supposed to be talking, no. No, he only asked for 21, not 30.
Quiet!
Ibualo.
Oh no, what do I do with him? In view of the atrocities I've committed in this kingdom.
Igwe, you are still my Igwe. And I am the owner of this kingdom.
Not anymore.
In fact, a senior cabinet of this kingdom.
That was them.
Well, Igwe, as your Majesty pleases.
Okay. Fine and good. You are to be thrown into the evil forest.
Bam. That is the tradition.
That's it. Igwe. Igwe, you cannot do this to me. I am the owner of this kingdom.
Onowu, like I said, you are to thrown into the evil forest.
Yeah.
And I've spoken.
Hallelujah, hallelujah. Who we serve is love. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Oh, who will wipe our tears. Hallelujah, hallelujah. So much tears and sorrow. Hallelujah, hallelujah. People dying here and there.
You know how rich I am. You know. You see, taking me to the evil forest will not benefit both of you anything. Gods, let me give you the opportunity of becoming rich.
Honorable, I don't get you.
You know that large parcel of land behind my house? I'm sure you also know the one by the river bank. Both of you can take it and share it between the two of you.
Oh no. You know that if Digwe finds out, he'll be killed.
But who will tell the Igwe? It's just the three of us here. Huh? I wouldn't tell him. And you wouldn't tell him either. So, who will tell the Igwe? Just let me go. Put down your knives then.
Oh no.
Put down your knives.
It's safe.
I can go, eh? I can go,
Just like that.
What do you see?
Where is Ono?
What kind of a question is that?
I said answer my question! Where is Ono?
Leave now. Get out! Get out right now!
Emeka! Emeka! Emeka!
Chasing after me.
Don't worry, it's just a dream, okay? Just lie down. You'll be fine. It's just a dream.
We cannot sit here and allow this monstrous beast devour us. I suggest we send for the three wise men.
Send for them? Mazadaka, have you gotten the virgins for the atonement?
Oh, Nebe, we cannot for the fear of death refuse to go to war. Let us look for other means of getting these virgins. Such as we send warriors to the neighboring village of Umonato to get those virgins for us.
Adaka, you're still talking of shedding more blood? Look, if you want to do that, please count me out. Big on me.
Oh, shut up if you don't have anything to say.
You're telling me to keep quiet.
Oh yes, shut your mouth and sit down. Don't talk. Is it because you are not affected? So you are talking on phone.
I'm not affected. You have a grown-up daughter, don't you? And I'm sure she's a virgin. Why not bring her out first?
I was so
enough! I didn't summon you here for you to come and start shouting like pregnant women. Huh?
He started it.
I don't care who started it. I have a more serious crisis on our hands. Looking for a way out. The situation where I have lost 4 of my vicious warriors, elders and youths in a couple of days.
But what do we do? Oh, come on, shut up and allow me to talk. Keep quiet and sit down.
Gentlemen, I think the die is cast.
Igwe nonso. Oya nonso. Ah, Igwe. Igwe, thanks to the gods, I met you around. Igwe, what's the problem? Igwe, there is a problem. Igwe, in fact, Igwe, I am trying to. In fact, you are about to make another grievous mistake. Igwe, my advice to you now is don't shed another blood. Please.
Well, absolutely. Igwe, you can see I'm in a hurry. It is so hard to wait so long.
It's alright, Igwe. But Igwe, see, look. Igwe, don't say I did not warn you. I am giving this now as a warning to you. Igwe, don't make another grievous mistake, because already Obodo na bagara. Igwe, where is Lolo? Look at your face. You even have a shrine face. Lolo, hear my voice. Your husband, Igwe, is about to do another grievous mistake. Tell Lolo I said so. Ogumangala. As you all can see, we are here gathered at the village square to select volunteer virgins that will embark on this mission to sacrifice this kingdom. shall say.
Uju? Uju?
Who is that? Who is that and how do you know my name?
Uju?
What are you doing here?
I have come to guide you.
Our people conspired against me, condemned me to death.
I know. That is why I will always be with you. Because the journey is far and dangerous.
Ka nwunye ya mụọ nna ya daka ya mere ụwa tụgharịwa m egbula m egbu ụwa tụgharịwa m egbula m egbu maka emeso ọ ga-adị mma ya ụwa tụgharịwa m egbula m egbu ụwa tụwa egbula egbu maka emeso ọ ga-adị mma. Why won't I be happy when I have my schnapp? Once schnapp is around me, I schnapp. Schnapp me. I schnapp. That is the remedy of this life, is schnapp. Because if you allow schnapp to schnapp you, you don't have any. One of the evil men is about to pass. Go behind me, one of the evil men. Evil. One of the evil men has just passed me now.
Arose. I'm not an evil man. Watch your language.
You're not an evil man. It's alright. If you say you're not an evil man, then remove yourself from the circle of evil men. Because as long as I see you in that circle, you are evil. You understand? Let me tell you what you should know. You see, they say when one hand soil oil, it affects the other one. That is what is affecting you now. So remove yourself. I will advise you now. Oh God, Ishocha. I will advise you. Remove ake nwenofe. Remove the hand of monkey from the pot of soup before it turns to human being's hand. Before you walk mad. That is my advice for you. You understand?
I've heard your advice.
Look at you, Ababuku.
I've heard your
Is this your uku that you have that is deceiving a lot of people? You use this your uku, Ababanjin, to jeopardize, solidiquatize, mequatize.
I've heard your advice. Thank you.
I have warned you, respect your reciprocals. Respect your... Look at your waist, Ababuku. This Ababanjin that you carry is what you use in doing Mpo in this village. Don't say I did not warn you. When this rain will fall on top of you, you can't go to Abba. Our boss punish you and punish you. Let me come and take this thing now and ease your tension and ease all this your moment.
princess is not seen in good mood. Oh, it's a pity. I was going to ease myself. Ah, okay, let me go inside. Oh, okay.
Who we said is love. Oh, who will wipe a tear. So much tears and sorrow. People dying.
Okay.
Thank you for saving me, Mama.
It is my obligation to protect you.
We were attacked on our way here yesterday by a woman. And up to this moment, we are still in battle with that same woman.
You mean you were attacked on your way to the palace yesterday? Who is the woman that has the effrontery, the audacity to engage 3 wise men from the east in a battle since yesterday? Who is that woman?
Your daughter, Igwe.
Princess?
Adeze.
Where's what? You confuse us the more. Which Adeze are you talking about?
Onowu's sister that he also murdered.
Abomination. Ewo, two. Ewo, Igwe.
Gene.
Okay, be that as it may. What do we do in interim, an alternative? Because the way it is, we can't afford to spill more blood. And more so, you demanded we should sacrifice 21 virgins.
Yes. Or you bring back the chosen one.
Is she still alive? If yes, tell us so that I will dispatch my warriors to go in search of her right now.
Igwe, this is not a journey to be made by warriors, but by those who are pure in heart.
Journey to the evil forest cannot be determined by mere mortals, but by the gods. But by the gods.
Where is everybody? Even my guards are not here.
My prince.
My princess. Where is everybody?
I don't know.
Where are your mates?
I went out alone.
I can't even find my guards.
What is it? What is it?
It must be a dream.
Dream.
Igwe, the gods have shown us 6 lights, remaining one.
I wish I'm a lady. I would have completed the remaining one and we will go for this justice.
Father.
Oh, behold, the remaining light.
Princess? Princess Ejibonwa. Look, the 3 wise men, you are really wise. Your senses are there. Princess, you are going to salvage the throne. The gods has chosen you.
I tell you, when your mother gave birth to you, I looked at you and I said, you are a salvage. Now you're coming to salvage our throne, our gods. Igbo, why are you looking like that? Igbo, you're bringing your head down and raising it up. Are you doing alakoba? Igbo, stop bouncing and bouncing. Princess, you're gone. You're going to return in pieces. Oh, sorry, princess, in peace. Ah, our gods. I knew you were going to do something marvelous and wonderful. The hour has come. 3 wise men, you don't be wrong. For inaugurating this princess, you are wise. Your senses are there.
Amaka. Oge. Where have you been? I've been looking for you for days now.
Huh? You told me you were going to urinate and you disappeared. Just like that. Why now?
Very sorry. I had to go back to my village to know what remains of it.
So you're back now, okay? Yeah?
Okay. I believe you're going to the village square for the selection.
Okay. How did you know that?
I just guessed.
You just guessed?
This. It will protect you. Use it. It's my lucky charm.
Your lucky charm. Okay.
Are you okay? Are you okay? Come on, I got this. Come on, fight. Come on, fight. This rubbish. Both of you are my biggest problem. Don't hold it. Come on. Come on, fight. Me. You guys are all in this place. Come on, fight. You must fight today. Why are you guys fighting? It's okay. What's the meaning of all this rubbish? Stop it now. Stop it. Leave her. What's the meaning of all this rubbish? Princess, please. I don't want to leave. Princess, let's get out of here. I'm tired. Princess, let's go. Please, let's go. You. Princess, let's go. Hey. You. See, don't try me. You. Don't try me. You. And what is eating you up? Out, man. Are we here to finish about this? Oh, God, this. Out, man. I'm not resting again. My business, I cannot stay here. You can't do anything. I'm going to... How will I insult you? What is it? Why are you sitting close to me? Hey! Why are you sitting close to me? Look when I am. It's getting my to see. I'll get your phone. It's not the both of you. Take your time. Look when I am.
You see, I know nobody will believe me. When I talk now, they say, Arashi, you are a drunk. You have started talking again. This is 3 days now since they sent the innocent maidens into the evil forest. Till now, as I speak to you, nobody, not even mosquito, not even Nkapia, not even Udele, not even Oke, can tell anything. Nobody in this kingdom can tell the tales about their whereabouts. But let me tell you, even the three wise men that came into our kingdom, we thought they have the soup. Even the three wise men cannot tell.
Let's still believe because of our land we bring them back.
You say? Because of our land?
Yes.
Because of our land, they don't sleep. Oh. Those people are always awake in times of trouble. If anything should happen to these maidens, their blood will continue wiping everybody in this kingdom.
But you are one of us.
Onye? Me, one of us. Do I look one of us? Let me tell you, I might be living in this kingdom, but I'm not one of you. Because I am a truth teller. Onye zioku. That is what I am. Look at my face very well. Okorocha. Look at my face very... Do I look like all these elders? All these wicked elders that the gods has forbidden. I am a straightforward woman being. So you don't generalize me among these people. Because you see all these people you see, here they kuna general, apotana public, and talk that is meant for general, if they come in the public, they will be publicizing it as if they are town criers.
Wise men, this is day 3. The 3rd day the children left this kingdom. And nobody has heard anything about them. My question then is, are you sure they will come back to us alive?
Igwe, you worry so much.
But if you're in my shoes, I'm sure you do exactly the same. I have to, because they are innocent and don't deserve to die. Don't you understand?
Igwe, can't you observe that the kingdom of light and darkness are at war?
Are you suggesting that the kingdom has to wait?
Yes. Let the kingdom wait.
For how long?
Let them wait.
Is that not Ujunwa, my sister? Amaka, I'm scared. How do we know she's real? Yes. How do we know this is really Uju? Still alive in this evil forest? Let's follow our hearts. Let's go. We have come to take you back home.
Do
Do I have a home? This is my home now.
Please, my sister. Forget everything that has happened. Oh, Biko, the Igwe and the entire kingdom need you now more than ever. Oh, Biko.
Ujunwa, the kingdom of Uduku can only be delivered by you.
Why have all of you come to remind me of my past?
Destiny, Uju. Destiny.
Destiny. Destiny. Where was destiny when I was completely rejected by my own people? Where was destiny when my parents were killed? Where was destiny? Where? Where was destiny?
Like I said earlier, the entire kingdom awaits your arrival. Yes. Yes, Uju. Let the past be remedied. And let peace return to Uduku kingdom. Please.
And for the love you have for your people, please come with us, Uju. Please.
Uju, please. Please. We beg you in the name of the gods of our land. Please. Uju, please come with us, please.
I can't.
Yes, you can.
But I thought Nkechi is preparing something now.
Nah, don't worry. Now, very soon the food will be ready.
Because I'm hungry. I don't want that Nkechi to keep me.
Don't worry. Now, just walk.
You know me, I like food.
The food will be ready. Now, walk.
I can't stop it all.
What is keeping Uchechi? I thought she said she's going to ease herself.
Even Ebere that went in search of her is not back too.
Uchechi, help me!
Help you? Why will I help you?
I can't stop urinating. I don't know why.
Instead of me to help you, I'll even help to kill you with this sword. Yes.
Uchechi, I don't want now.
And tell them that you are killed by the wild animal in the forest.
Uchechi, help me.
Uchechi, help you.
Help me.
Come on, face that side. Uchechi, help you.
Let me say this!
My princess.
My father, the king. I'm very proud. It's my next generation. You be my friend. My princess! You can. God forbid. My princess! My princess! My princess! Because where are you? Where are you people?
Oh no!
I did.
Is Igwe at home? Is Igwe? Aha! Igwe, you are too much. The three wise men, I greet you once again. You people are really, really wise. In fact, you are wiser. Wisey. Igwe, I have a report. In fact, it's a news. Igwe, they are back. I am telling you. I said they are back.
Who is back?
Igwe, permission to sit down.
Sit down.
Thank you very much, Igwe.
Thank
you very much, Igwe. Igwe, they are back.
Who is back?
The maidens that went
into the evil forest. They are back. Igwe, there is a problem. Igwe, it is only Amaka and Uju that I saw.
What about my daughter?
Igwe, Mwaki Naju, what about your daughter? Igwe, how can you ask me what about your daughter? Igwe, did I follow them to the evil forest? I only 3 wise men who do the run. You people are wonderful. Igwe, I only saw them walking towards Onowu's house when I saw them with my 2 naked eyes. And I said, let me run to you to deliver the news, the report of what I saw.
But you should have asked questions.
How can you ask me that question? Do I look like minister of shrine of Udugu kingdom? Or do I look like these 3 wise men who do the run of wise men? Igwe, so that is it. I saw, I come, I conquer. Igwe, why are you looking like your wife? Igwe, tell her sorry now, no. Igwe, why are you opening your mouth like you want to breathe? Igwe, tell her sorry, because when you were banishing her, Igwe, I told you. Now she has returned. Glory be to our God.
I will say,
Igwe,
people of Ndugu Kingdom, I greet all of you.
Igwe.
On behalf of this royal family and the chiefs and council, as well as elders of this kingdom, I hereby apologize to Ujungwa,
thank you,
whom I wrongly banished to the evil forest.
Thank you.
Please accept my forgiveness.
Thank you.
Alakirija, face this. You will marry somebody again, no? Alakirija, remove your face. Otherwise, you are going to turn to Abaja. Well, Alakirija, remove your face, so you don't know her.
Yeah, Daisy. Pico, for my sake, please don't harm anyone. Pico.
Igwe, congratulations. Igwe, congrats. Our land has been cleansed. Thank you very much. Thank you. Igwe, smile. I should have given you snap. If you would have asked for snap.
If you know when I do, Gianna, true,